Hey, it's me. Hey, it's me, Rachel again from Heartfelt Designs. Today I wanted to share with you a quick little video on how to make a flower centerpiece. I have made one already back in February for Valentine's Day. Very simple. Everything is from the Dollar Tree except for these little doohickeys. I got from somebody off of Marketplace, but everything else is from the Dollar Tree. Very easy to make, and it looks very, very pretty on your dining room table or for centerpieces for bridal showers, baby showers, wedding parties, wedding receptions, just about anything. So I made this bouquet back in February around Valentine's Day. It's of pink Dollar Tree roses with a little bit of purpley at the end. They did have red, I remember white, I remember lighter pink, but this pink just drew me in. This time around, I am not going to use roses. I'm going to use ponies. Peonies? Ponies? I don't know how to say that. I have white ones and I have pink ones. And then I have this pretty floral greenery bouquet that I may add in, that I added in for the Valentine's Day ones. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that or not. I painted this ahead of time. I wanted to do green so that it would kind of blend in at the bottom. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is glue these two candle holders together with the Gorilla Glue. Once you've done that, you're going to set it aside and let it dry for a little bit. So for the flowers, we're going to use wire cutters to shorten them, and you're going to stick them into the soccer ball, making it a very pretty flower bouquet. So when you're putting in the flowers, I recommend putting a little bit of glue at the end so that they aren't able to come back out. Especially if you're going to have this as a centerpiece of your wedding, reception, or bridal shower or baby shower. Just a little bit of glue. So there you have it, this beautiful floral centerpiece. Perfect for any decor for your house or any party. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these. So that was $7 at the dollar store, and then 2 candle holders. That's another $2. So this and the soccer ball, so $10. $10 for a beautiful centerpiece. Easy to do, very springy, looks beautiful. And there are so many flowers that you can get at any store, Dollar Tree, Joann's, Michael's, anything you can get your hands on, and you can put your own twist to it. Please remember to like, comment, and share. Subscribe down below, and please share your creations with me on my Instagram page. Thank you again and take care. See you soon. Bye.